What do you mean? It's trading day. Aw man, I hope I wouldn't get traded. Even me. She's coming. I'll trade this. Trading Simple Dimple. That is my dream fidget. Get ready for part 2. Part 2. What's your offer? I'll add this fidget cube. That's a deal. There. Hi, fidget cube. My name is Simple Dimple. Yeah, she got traded. I'm going to pop all of these before you like. Wait, move the camera there. 3, 2, 1. Did I win? I bet I can pop all of these before you like, share, and follow. Starting in 3, 2, 1. Did you win? I bet I can pop all of these before you like, share, comment. Starting in 3, 2, wait. Move the camera there. More, there. 1! Did I win?
I really gotta hold on. No. I really gotta hold on. No. I really gotta hold on. No. I really gotta hold on. No.
Can I buy a puppet? No. I have to hide where I can buy the puppet. Yes, now tomorrow my puppet is delivered. Can I buy a puppet? No. I have to hide where I can buy the puppet. Yes, tomorrow my delivery will come. I'm so excited. My delivery came. So excited. Wow. Whoa, this is one of my favorites. Ooh, a heart puppet. Simple Dimple. Wow. This is my favorite. It's a Simple Dimple. And this is one of my favorites. And this is a circle puppet. Let's test it out. I'm so excited. This is really amazing. How about the heart puppet? Whoa, this is so cool. How about the unicorn puppet? Whoa, this is one of my favorites. Where are we? I don't know. Wait, where's the other Simple Dimple? Yeah, I miss her. I don't know where she is. You heard that is trading day. I think it's going to be Simple Dimple. How rude! She's coming. I'm going to trade Simple Dimple. Trading Simple Dimple. That's a Simple Dimple. That is my dream fidget. What's your offer? A pet's bracelet. That's a deal. Hi, I'm Pet's necklace. Wow. You are my favorite. Even me. Well, it looks like you're a cat. Yeah, I am a cat. I hope she'll not get She's coming!
I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple, I could be green or pink or black or white, I could be every color you like. I could be red, or I could be yellow, I could be blue, or I could be purple.
Unicorn mini puppet.
Oh my god, did he call her baby? Maybe I'm not okay. Play it cool, 'cause he likes that cool.
Bluebell or all white?
It reminds me of Bluebell. Yeah, it is all white because I agree because it looks like cheese.